What's up everyone, this is Emilio with Quick Property Solutions. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to pull comps on Redfin and Zillow in case you don't have a realtor you're working with and they can't pull you with CMA. I want to thank Ali Tiktib for requesting this in the comments. I really appreciate you responding back to me. I hope this video helps you guys. If you guys are investors looking to purchase property in the Detroit area, reach out to me. I'm a wholesaler. I do deals out here. We also do renovations out here. So if you need a good contractor or a good crew to work on your properties, I also have a network of people. So if you are looking to build a team like a property manager, lenders, insurance people, let me know. I'll share my contacts with you. And again, if you want to reach out to me, there's a link in the description below. Click on the link tree link and then message me through that website because I answered a lot better than social media. I'm trying to be better at answering on social media, but that one I'm a little bit quicker than answering on the other social media channels. And again, thank you so much for watching. If you guys like the video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and if you have anything or suggestions of videos that I should be making, let me know. I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. All right, so here we are in Redfin, and I'm going to show you how to pull comps if you are doing it yourself. So we'll go with a listed property. We're going to go with this property here at 17207 Burwood Street. It's they're asking $89,999. Let's say 90 grand. Looks like a fixer-upper, and you want to pull comps. So what you want to do is there's a map down here. The first thing you want to do is you want to find its location. And here's the pin here. So look at the major crossroads. You're going to notice the major crossroads because the lines are a little bit thicker than the street. So running east and west here, you have a street called McNichols. Running north and south, you have Wyoming. So it's just north of McNichols and it's just west of Wyoming. So what you want to do is you want to go here, and the zip code was 48221. So just type in 48221 in the search bar, and you're going to get the zip code here. So you remember we were north of McNichols and west of Wyoming. So one thing you want to do is you want to kind of like zoom out to kind of see where it is. So look at this. This is the lodge, this big old highway here. So it's to the right of this little angle thing. So right here, there's the angle thing, the angle of the highway. And let's zoom in a little bit closer. And right here, you see Wyoming. So, the house is west of Wyoming and it's north of McNichols. So you're right here. So your area that you're trying to search for is right here. So you could either stick with this zip code portion right here, or you could click on the draw tool. What you could do is you could draw around here like that, right? So ideally, when I'm pulling comps, I don't like to cross major roads or roads at all. So I don't want to pull anything on this side of Wyoming. I don't want to pull anything south of McNichols. I'm going to see if there's comps here, but if there's not enough comps, I will maybe go a little bit further out just to kind of get some kind of value. So what you want to do is you want to go to the filters here on the top, right? So these are all the properties that are for sale. So what you want to do is click on the sold properties, and these are the sold properties that are 3 months back. And then what you could do is this property on Burwood, let's exit this out. This was a 3-bedroom, 1,440 square feet. So what you want to do is you got to find properties that are similar in size. So you want to click on the 3-bedroom, and you see here it says 4 and 5 plus. Click on it again, and now it's only 3 bedrooms. And then you want to go to this. You could actually go to house, so you don't get any duplexes or things like that. Click done, and then you're going to go all the way to the right. You can click on filters here. So you have sold, 3-bedroom, it's a house, and here you could filter out the square footage. So it was 1,440. So I like to have at least like a 10% buffer. So that's like 1,440. It's plus 140. So maybe like you go as high as 1,600. So you see one of those listings dropped out because it was over 1,600 square feet. And then I'm going to click See Homes. And then what I like to do is I like to click highest to lowest because the properties that are highest are more likely to be renovated properties and rehab properties. So you have one here that's very similar, and that one sold for $155,000. This one sold for 69, and this one sold for 67,000. So if you click on it, you could see. What I do is they don't show pictures here. That's the one good thing about working with a realtor. They'll have like a CMA, and they'll actually show you pictures of the property that sold. But since they don't show pictures, you could just go down to the description here and then read it, and then just look for keywords like right here, beautifully renovated. So you want to see something like updated kitchen, like right here. The interior boasts new paint, new flooring, fixtures, a brand new kitchen. There you go. Like I said, newly kitchen remodeled, features sleek countertops, all that kind of stuff. So we don't have the pictures, but it does say that it was renovated. And these other properties, these might be like tenant occupied properties or like meticulously maintained. So again, no pictures. So just go down to here. So perfect BRR investor. This larger home is an excellent neighborhood, solid rental history. The home needs work, so it does need to be renovated. So this one sold for 69,000. And I'm assuming this one here on Griggs, this one sold for 67,000. Excellent opportunity for homeowner looking for instant equity. Restore update to meet your needs. So home sold as is. So those sold for 67,500. Now what you want to see is this sold in April. Today is May 7th. And this sold recently for April 29th, so like about a week ago. This one sold in March, so that was like maybe, 2 months ago. Let's see how long the days on market were. So you could click on sales and tax history. So you could see down here on January 22nd, it was listed. It went pending on the 25th, and then it finally sold on March 4th. Looks like it took a while to sell. It probably was like an FHA. That's my assumption. It was an FHA loan because they take longer to close. That took almost, let's see, round up to that took maybe like 40 days, I would probably say. Yeah, 40 days, 50 days. Let's look at Griggs. Sales tax history. So it was listed back in February for 79. It went pending. They relisted it, and then it looks like after they relisted, they just dropped the price, and then it went pending almost a few weeks later, and then it finally closed. Oh wow, that closed pretty quickly. For 67. So they started off at 80 and then ended up at 67. So yeah, so it looks like the value of the ARV of the area is 155. It is only one comp. I like to try and get more than one. So what you could do is, again, I don't like crossing neighborhoods, and so one thing is that you see this right here. It says Bagley. You could type in Bagley. Let's see, Bagley, Detroit, and look at that. You see it crosses Wyoming. So if you cross over into Wyoming, you're gonna get comps of like that are Bagley comps, but you're not in Bagley. So you got to be careful and wary of that. I don't know this neighborhood. Schultz, is it? Schulze. I could see it right here. It says Schultz right here. So look, this looks like it's the Schultz neighborhood. So what you could do is maybe draw a little further out this way to get more comps. There, you see there's more comps here. Let's try and look for, is this Burwood a bungalow? Yeah, this is kind of like a bungalow looking style house. So these are colonial. Here's a bungalow right here. This is a 4-bedroom, but let's click on it. Beautifully newly renovated kitchen, new carpet. Terrible penmanship. Look, they didn't even capitalize B, and then they didn't put a period. No commas, nothing. New carpet and bedroom, hardwood floors, partially finished basement. So this one was renovated as well, but this has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Wow, it's pretty good. Fortunately, no pictures. And this one's a colonial. So, I don't want to use these comps here, but I mean, if you got desperate, maybe you could use it. Let's see if this one was renovated. Welcome to a beautifully remodeled home. That one is at 160, but again, it's a colonial. Same thing at this one, 170, 1.5. Welcome home, spacious. Oh, you know what? My filters disappeared. This one is 1,600 square feet. How big is this one? Yeah, what happened to my filters? I thought it was... Oh, that's weird. My filters disappeared. I guess when you draw a new line. So let's do 1,600 max. Yeah, look at all those numbers. All those houses just dropped. So yeah, one at 160, 155, 150. So you could potentially say... I don't want to use the colonial, but I don't have 3 comps, so let's just go with it. 155, 150 divided by 3. So 155, which is like very similar to this bungalow here. So that's how you pull comps in Redfin. Let's see here. And then we're going to pull comps in Zillow as well. So what we're going to do is, we already know the location, the zip code. It's just a little bit different than Redfin. There's nothing here. Well, how is that? I'll click remove all filters. Yep. So it's just a little bit different. And the only difference is in Zillow, it goes back like 180 days sold comps. I don't know why it does that. So what we're going to do is we're going to zoom in into this area here. And then let's click remove boundary and click draw. So we know, again, we're here at the Wyoming. Go down to McNichols. Sorry, it's a little sloppy, but close enough. And then click apply. All right. And then what I like to do is I like to be highest or lowest because all the rehab properties show up at the top. We'll do these. We are looking for 3-bedroom. Click exact match. Right. And then we'll do home type. We'll do houses. And then you go to more. And then you click on, did we ever click for sale? For sold? Oh, we got to click sold. Sorry about that. I missed that part. Sold. And then what you want to do is you want to go down here to sold in last. And then you want to do the last 90 days. If you don't get a lot of comps at 90 days, you could go further out. I don't like to go further out in time or in location. But again, if you don't have comps, you might have to just to establish some kind of value. And then click apply. And then that's how you do it. So, oh, look at this one. Oh, you know what? I didn't have this little bump out on the Redfin. So here's one that's sold for 167. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And it doesn't pop out to a new. So I'm going to right click on it and do open link in new tab. And here's that Appeline. Yep. See, these are all that. Oh, I didn't see this one on Steel Street. I think it's because my boundary. You see how I bumped the boundary out a little bit? I might have missed that because I didn't bump it out. And then here, let's click home details and then read the description. Spacious spring bungalow. Remember, you're looking for keywords like updated, new upscale kitchen, and full bath. Everything has been done. Whole house systems, newer windows, doors. There you go. There you go. So this was a renovated property. Not sold as is, not tenant occupied, because you'll see if it says that. Oh, look at this, you guys. There's pictures on this one. Oh, that's cool. I don't know why they did that. That's cool, though. So you could see how it looks. Welcome. Beautifully maintained. This is not even renovated. It's just clean. I mean, look at the bathroom. It's got the original tile. This bathroom here, they just painted the tile. They didn't gut out the bathroom. But yeah, they don't have pictures of this one. Let's see if they have pictures of this one. Oh, man, it reset it? Oh, no, it didn't. Here it is right here. Okay. Where are we at? Oh, yeah, this 155 on steel. Nope, that's the one we just looked up. Burwood. Yeah, no pictures. They don't show pictures. I don't know why that is. Very confused on why that is. Yep, no pictures here either. Why the pictures showed up for steel but not for anything else. But anyways, that's how you pull comps on your own for Redfin and Zillow. I hope you guys liked the video. Again, my name is Emilio. If you like the content, please comment, subscribe to the channel. Reach out to me if you guys are looking to invest in the area. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. The best thing to do if you guys want to reach out to me, there is a Linktree link in the description below. Ask me any questions that I've actually answered better there than social media. I'm trying to get better, but it's easier to contact me through the Linktree because I get an email and it says someone wants to talk to you, and then I could call you directly. But again, I hope you liked the video. Share the video with other people that are looking to invest in the area. Maybe it could pass on some value to them. And thanks for guys for watching. Appreciate it.